Welcome back, everybody, to yet another episode of InfluencerSoft Shorts. If this is your first time, welcome to the channel where I give bite-sized, digestible, and actionable morsels of information surrounding affiliate marketing and their tools. I'm your host, Brent, and in today's episode of InfluencerSoft, you might be wondering, okay, I have an idea now of how to make money and how to loosely set up a funnel in InfluencerSoft, but how do I accept payments through the platform? Well, stick around. This episode is a doozy, and it took me some digging around to find the correct answers and how to implement them as well. So fair warning, this episode will run a little bit longer than your average InfluencerSoft short. First off, I want to congratulate you on taking that leap. Selling something online, especially something you've made, is no easy task. From conception to reality, a lot of steps go into creating a product that you'd be honored to sell and also buy yourself. So congratulations on deciding to take your product to the next level, where now you've got to set up a whole sales strategy from top to bottom, swirling around your new product. This how-to assumes you already have an InfluencerSoft account. However, if you don't, click on this link below and in the description below, and take advantage of their 14-day trial offer for just $1. This trial offer will unlock all of the features such as the visual funnel builder. I like that feature alone is my personal favorite. The email handler and autoresponder built in, so no need for a separate app to manage your emails. Also, there's a course creation directly within that platform that you can link to your funnels and your payment or your product pages. Conversely, if your trial version of InfluencerSoft is over, but don't want the monthly fees, click on this link below again for a chance of purchasing the lifetime access to InfluencerSoft with all the great features that you've come to love. Yes, you heard that right. Lifetime access includes unlimited funnels, unlimited domains, unlimited products, unlimited courses. So no monthly fees, and also there are always new features that are rolling out, and there's also bug fixes that are always going on, and they always have weekly mentor meetings, so that's also very interesting to be a part of. The link for the lifetime deal will be in the description below. Now let's get started on creating the payment pages. Step 1: create yourself a funnel, starting with traffic, obviously. Or if you already have a funnel, use that one. Or if you want to learn how to import shared funnels on InfluencerSoft, click on the eye or the card at the top of the video. The link will be in the video description of a video that I created of how to import InfluencerSoft funnels, InfluencerSoft shared funnels. Step 2: add in your opt-in page if needed, or your sales page of the product that you'll be selling. Step 3: let's say now this potential customer is convinced and ready to buy. You need some way of handling the payment. Note, at the time of recording this video, InfluencerSoft can only accept two types of payments, one of them being Stripe or the other being PayPal. And depending on which you choose as your payment processor, you will need to configure the funnel slightly differently for either or. And for this particular video, we'll only be covering Stripe integration. The PayPal integration will be for another video. This video also assumes that you've already linked your Stripe account to your InfluencerSoft store settings. If you have not done so as yet, please do so now. Otherwise, you won't be able to accept payments through your funnels. There will also be another video on how to integrate your Stripe account in the near future. So stick around for that if you need assistance with that as well. But for now, we'll keep this video succinct and to the point. Now, step 4. Add the payment page from the flowchart of your funnel. So now you'll see here on the left hand side, there's what we call payment page. This is what we want. You can either drag and drop, or you can click once and it'll appear at the center of your funnel, and you can just drag that to wherever you need to drag that as well. For now, I'm just going to delete this one because I have a duplicate here. So now I have this payment page that I've just created. There's another page called the order page right here on the left hand side. This page is meant specifically only for PayPal payments as a PayPal payment processor. And don't do what I did. I got so confused when I was trying to set up the payment phases of my funnels, and I used both the order page and the payment page, not knowing exactly what was for what. So it took some digging around and some trial and error to find out, to finally differentiate the two. But that was it. And so now we don't need this order page if we're going to be integrating Stripe. I'll go ahead and delete that. Now select your payment page, go to the edit button here, and go ahead and create your page. There's a couple of templates that you can choose that processes orders. Let's just go choose one at random here. Let's select this one here. Create. This process will take a little while. All right, so now the order page, sorry, not the order page, but the payment page has been created. You can go ahead and create this from scratch yourself by using a few forms that you can create beforehand. Also, you can just go ahead and try to use the templates and modify them as you see fit. The templates are pretty well done, and I mean, they should at least get you going for what you need to do. Step 6. Once you've created and saved the page, head on over to the Actions tab. So I've created this page. I'm happy with how it looks. I'm going to save it. Exit out of the modifications of the page. And specifically, we want to go to the Actions tab. And over here, you'll notice that there's a drop down where you can select from a list of products that you've already created to include in the payment page. I have a couple here that I've created. I'm just going to select one at random, or I can go ahead and create a product right here in this by clicking on this orange button here, and that will pop up a window where you can go ahead and create your product. It could be a single payment. It could be a subscription payment, like say for example they're paying for access to a course. You'll have all the information here about what you need to enter in, like if it could be the pricing, it could be a monthly payments of how many days after, like the interval for example, and the amounts that need to be paid, and also obviously the product name, which is kind of important. Let's just cancel this out. I'll select one here. And if they were to offer a discount on the product that you're selling, you create that discount here. Likewise, you can also add an order bump to this payment page that will allow you to offer something else, not only just the primary or product that you're trying to sell. Now finally, step 7. Once the product has been created and selected, you can now select it from the drop-down list, which I've already did, and you can save obviously the page that has been modified here. And that's pretty much it, folks. This is how you set up a payment page in InfluencerSoft to process payments through your Stripe integration. Now, obviously, there's more work that's needed, like, for example, a thank you page that you might want to add after the payment page. Let's just link it here because that will be the next page of your buttons from your content page. Also, with the payment page, there could be an email that's sent automatically as soon as payment is received. So that could be like a thank you email that would be sent out. But as it stands, this funnel can theoretically accept payments, even though there's a few elements that are missing that you would necessarily need to complete the funnel. Thanks for sticking around to the end. I feel that this was a very important step that needed to be addressed to untangle some of the confusion that I've been experiencing around accepting payments through InfluencerSoft. If this is a sort of content that where I dissect the beast that InfluencerSoft is into small digestible pieces, hit that like button, subscribe, or not. It's totally up to you. And if you have any quick topics that you like to see on InfluencerSoft, hit me up in the comments below, and I'll add it to my list of things to do. In the meantime, check out my other InfluencerSoft shorts, videos that are linked here to the end of the video towards the cards and informations. That's it, folks. See you on the next video. Until then, this is Brent telling you to stay straight, stay true, and most importantly, never give up.